Welcome to Agricultural Science for JSS 2. Today, we will learn about land preparation and cultivation techniques, how farmers prepare their land before planting. What is land preparation? Land preparation refers to all the activities carried out to make the land ready for planting. Proper land preparation creates the best conditions for seed germination and crop growth. Stages of land preparation. 1. Clearing, bush clearing / site clearing. This is the first stage of land preparation. It involves removing trees, shrubs, grasses, and other vegetation from the land. Methods include manual clearing, using cutlasses, hoes, and axes to cut and remove vegetation. Common for small farms. Mechanical clearing, using bulldozers and tractors for large-scale clearing. Burning, after manual cutting, the dried vegetation may be burned to clear the land and add ash, which contains potassium and other minerals, to the soil. However, burning destroys organic matter and kills soil organisms. It is not always recommended. 2. Stumping. After clearing, tree stumps and roots are removed from the soil. This is important so that the land can be properly tilled and so the stumps do not regrow. Stumping may be done manually or with machinery. 3. Tilling, tillage. Tillage is the mechanical manipulation of the soil to create a good seedbed. It involves turning over, breaking, and loosening the soil. Types of tillage. Primary tillage, plowing, the first and deepest form of soil disturbance. Uses a plow to turn over the soil to a depth of 15 to 30 centimeters. This buries surface vegetation and exposes subsoil. Equipment, moldboard plow, disc plow. Secondary tillage, harrowing, lighter tillage done after plowing to break up large soil clods and create a fine, level seedbed. Equipment, disc harrow, chain harrow. Zero tillage, no-till, a modern approach where the soil is not tilled. Seeds are planted directly into soil with minimum disturbance. This conserves soil moisture, reduces erosion, and preserves soil organisms. Minimum tillage, limited soil disturbance, only the planting holes or rows are loosened. 4. Ridging / mounding / bed formation. After tillage, farmers may form ridges, mounds in rows, or beds depending on the crop. Ridges, long raised rows of soil used for planting yam, cassava, sweet potato, and maize. Mounds / heaps, used for yam planting in the forest zone. Flatbeds, used for garden vegetables and rice paddies. 5. Manuring / application of organic matter. Before planting, organic matter, farmyard manure, compost, and/or inorganic fertilizers may be applied to enrich the soil. Cultivation techniques / systems of farming. 1. Shifting cultivation. Farmers cultivate a plot for a few years, then move to a new plot when the soil becomes exhausted. The old plot is left fallow, resting, for many years for the soil to recover naturally. Common in areas with abundant land. Limitation, not sustainable with growing population. 2. Bush fallowing. Similar to shifting cultivation, but the farmer returns to the same plot after a fallow period. The fallow period allows soil fertility to recover naturally. 3. Continuous cropping. Farming the same land year after year without a fallow period. Requires the use of fertilizers and other soil management practices to maintain fertility. 4. Crop rotation. Growing different crops on the same piece of land in a planned sequence each season. For example, maize, cowpea, yam, maize. Benefits include maintaining soil fertility, legumes fix nitrogen, controlling pests and diseases, and improving soil structure. 5. Mixed cropping / intercropping. Growing 2 or more different crops on the same land at the same time. For example, maize and cowpea planted together. Benefits: maximizes land use, one crop may shade or support another, risk reduction if one crop fails. 6. Mulching. Covering the soil with plant materials, straw, dried leaves, grass, to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil structure as the mulch decomposes. Remember, Stages of land preparation: clearing, manual/mechanical/burning, stamping, tilling, primary/secondary/zero/minimum, ridging/mounding, manuring. Cultivation techniques: shifting cultivation, move when soil exhausted, bush fallowing, return after fallow, continuous cropping, fertilizers needed, crop rotation, plant sequence, legumes restore nitrogen, mix/intercropping, 2 crops together, mulching, soil cover. Thank you for studying with us today.